Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn with Daldaroc. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make custom labels for food toppers. This is a simple and practical project that can make a big difference at events and gatherings. For this project, you will only need a printer, a Cricut Maker with its materials and some cardstock, and of course your phone or laptop to create your design. Now these food toppers are perfect for your functions or your family gatherings because they are clearly labeled the dish that's being served. Now this helps guests easily identify the food and it takes away the guesswork when choosing what to eat. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. I'll show you how to create the design in Cricut Design Space. I will show you the settings that you will need to use, and I will show you how to prepare everything for cutting and printing. If you are a beginner using Cricut, this video will be especially helpful to you because I know Cricut Design Space can be a bit complicated, especially if you do not have Cricut Access, which is the premium version or the pro paid version. But I'll show you how to work around that so that you could still create beautiful labels. So if you're ready to create clean, professional looking food labels for your next event, let's get started. Okay, so I've created my design in Canva. However, initially what I did was I uploaded the design as is into Cricut Design Space. However, I realized because I do not have Cricut Design Space premium access, I could not do this because what happened once I printed, the machine actually just cut around the paper and did not cut the labels individually. So in order to bypass this, because I'm only paying for Canva Pro, I had to create individual pages with the labels on different pages. Okay, so that's how I bypass that process. So once I'm done putting everything on individual pages, which is really time consuming, I'm going to click share, click download, and I'm going to make sure it's a PNG. And the important thing here is to click transparent background, and I will have to download it for each page. Okay, so once you've downloaded your design in Canva, you're going to click upload. Click on upload image. Click on browse. Select your image. Click continue. Click on apply and continue. Click on flat graphic and continue. Click upload. So once you have uploaded your design, you'll notice because we downloaded it as a transparent background, you'll see that the design is transparent. So in order to fix this and make sure that Cricut does not cut in between the mini pizza wording, we need to click on the image and click edit. Click on sticker. Click on kiss cut. And you can click on thin. It'll depend on how you want your border. Okay, so I prefer it thin. Now if you don't want the border at all, you click on custom and you move this line all the way to the end and you'll see that the border has disappeared. Okay, so now that your design has been completed, now we're going to go and sort out the print and cut process. So you're going to click make. Okay, and then you can see that Cricut rearranged everything onto this mat. And now we're going to click continue. Okay, so once you're ready to print, you can click send to printer. And if you have already printed, you can click I've already printed. Okay, so the machine thinks that we are printing on sticker paper and it's not giving me any options to select cardstock. So under the paper section, where they give you three different options, I am just going to select the second option because I find it to be the closest to the sticker paper that I generally do use. And that's it. Your custom food topper labels are now ready to use. And as you can see, this is a quick and simple way to make your food table look more organized and professional at any event. Do not be afraid to experiment with different fonts, colors, and styles to match the theme of your party or gathering. Now, I hope this tutorial has helped you and made Cricut Design Space a little easier for you to understand, especially if you are just getting started. Now, if you would like me to design a custom food topper for you, let me know in the comments section by commenting the word design, and I will send you more information on how I can assist you to make your creation come alive. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to learn with Daldaroc for more DIY and Cricut tutorials. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.